Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stabilize your videos and add in like a brighter tone to it. So in the camera section, select this plus button and scroll down until you find video stability, and you're just going to enable it and it's going to be enabled. So if you hit the plus button, you can see that it has been enabled and you can delete it if you'd like to. And if you want to, you can also improve your snaps by fixing exposure issues. So enable tone on, and here you can kind of adjust the tone. This is active. Oh, whoops, sorry, I don't. This is active. This is kind of like not active. Here you can adjust the exposure of your videos. And if you want to turn it off, just tap on the effect again. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.